If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Wise, it's important to act quickly as there are specific steps to follow. Here's a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Access your Wise account by visiting the Wise website or opening the Wise app. Enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to your transactions. Once logged in, locate the Activity or Transactions section. This area displays all your recent transactions, including pending ones. Step 3. Identify the pending transaction. Look for the transaction you wish to cancel. It should be marked as pending. Click on it to view more details about the transaction. Step 4. Select the Cancel option. In the transaction details, look for Cancel button or option. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. Follow any prompts that may appear. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your pending transaction should be cancelled. Always check your email or Wise account for confirmation of the cancellation.